Hello traders, good morning. Welcome to the Upper Hand Trader channel. David speaking here. So let's quickly have a look at the crypto markets here, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the leading tokens or currencies in that market. Last time I made a video about Bitcoin. It was on the 8th, so yeah, overnight it was on the 7th to the 8th around midnight, and it was all about how Bitcoin was about to bleed, and this is exactly what happened. We can see it dropped 25% to 2-year lows here since the last video. So we did exactly what we were expecting off that 200 daily EMA there. Now, how do I see it at the moment? I still think there's more room for shorts. I have no doubts about that. But as it looks right now, in terms of stochastics, we have monthly all the way oversold, weekly as well pointing down, and the daily is going up quite spreaded. However, the 4-hour is coming down quite spreaded. So before a new move down, I expect this 4-hour to turn and test the overbought zone again before dropping and taking the whole market down with it. So yes, I do expect these lows to be broken again. Let's mark them here. But yeah, if we look at 4-hour, you can see it came down quite spreaded. The move down, the stochastics didn't do much on price here, so the expectations is that it's gonna probably do an ABC here, something like anyways, something like a B C, maybe retest that 200 EMA on the 4-hour, or test this zone here, I'd say, before coming down. But we have to follow. I wouldn't take the long here. It is a play for someone is willing to take the risk, but I wouldn't. I would wait for the bounce to take shorts there. After this 4-hour comes up, as it comes down crossing the daily, we would expect new lows to come in place, or at least these lows around 1500 to be retested. In terms of Ethereum, it's pretty similar. The monthly is turning down. Actually, let me show one more thing on Bitcoin. If you go to the monthly, you see how this monthly candle is closing. Down candle, breaking the lows. We are 5 days away from the closure of that candle. A lot can happen, but it's not a good bullish indication for sure. So expect more down moves for now. Weekly as well is not very promising either. So yes, in terms of Ethereum, as I was saying, the monthly is pointing down, weekly coming down strongly, the daily trying to recover, as we've seen with this move here, and 4 hours coming down quite spreaded, similar to Bitcoin. So I expect a similar movement on both. We know that they often move together, so I would expect a bounce back here on the 4-hour to around these levels here. Not sure if it's going to break these levels. The trend line is broken, but I'm talking about the horizontal lines. But yeah, we'd expect a bounce to 1200 maybe, as this 4-hour turns and moves up. And when it comes down, crossing that daily, as we've discussed. So like right now the 4 hour is here. As I said, I expect it to do this, the 4 hour, and then come down, cross that daily, and take it to the lows again, and probably to new lows. In terms of yeah, maybe coming back to these lows here on the next bearish move. Bitcoin reached a 2-year low this week. Ethereum didn't. Ethereum has this low in place from June the 18th, but very likely it will be retested as well as soon as this bullish cycle ends here. Small bullish cycle we are in at the moment on smaller time frames. On the next move down, it will probably certainly break these lows here in my view, and target would be the current lows in around the 800 level, and below that well, below that is 500 or so, but let's wait and see. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. So yeah, that's all for crypto markets. BNB, we can look quickly, have it here. Weekly coming down, oh sorry, daily coming down, weekly still down there, 4 hour trying to recover. It's moving down but very spreaded, as we mentioned. So yeah, 4 hours is spreaded. I expect the 4 hour to go up a little bit and then to come help this daily down. So another very different play. The lows here are also back in June, more like Ethereum, not like Bitcoin. So yeah, I don't expect the crypto markets to go bullish for now. There's a lot needs to happen with price action before we can say it's bullish with confidence. We're not trying to pick the exact bottoms here. We need confirmation that the market has turned before we're going to look for bullish opportunities. For now, I would focus on shorts. That's where the money is at the moment. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you on the next video.